In this video, we're going to explore everything you need to know about ChatGPT-4 Omni. This is going to be a very comprehensive video because we're getting our information straight from the source, OpenAI's official website. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be reading directly from OpenAI's website and showing you the information in real time. This way, you'll get accurate and detailed insights about ChatGPT-4 Omni's capabilities, features, and the groundbreaking technology behind it. Let's get started. We're announcing GPT-4o, our new flagship model that can reason across audio, vision, and text in real time. Let us watch this demo video of ChatGPT-4o's voice chat performance.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey there, it's going great. How about you? I see you're rocking an OpenAI hoodie. Nice choice. What's up with that ceiling about? Are you in a cool industry-style office or something?
Well, can you take a guess at what I might be doing based on what I'm showing you here?
From what I can see, it looks like you're in some kind of recording or production setup. With those lights, tripods, and possibly a mic, it seems like you might be gearing up to shoot a video or maybe even a live stream.
Yeah. In fact, we've got a new announcement to make.
That's exciting. Announcements are always a big deal. Judging by the setup, it looks like it's going to be quite the professional production. Is this announcement related to OpenAI, perhaps?
It is.
I'm intrigued.
And in fact, what if I were to say that you're related to the announcement, or that you are the announcement?
Me? The announcement is about me? Well, color me intrigued. Are you about to reveal something about AI? Or more specifically about me as a part of OpenAI? You've got me on the edge of my, well, I don't really have a seat, but you get the idea. What's the big news?
Yeah, we've got a new model that can interact with the world through audio, vision, and text.
Amazing! Did you see that? She was talking to him as if she were a real person. Her expressions, responsiveness. I am blown away! What is impressive here is that everything you see here is 1x real time. GPT-4o for Omni is a step towards much more natural human-computer interaction. It accepts as input any combination of text, audio, image, and video, and generates any combination of text, audio, and image outputs. It can respond to audio inputs in as little as 232 milliseconds with an average of 320 milliseconds, which is similar to human response time in a conversation. It matches GPT-4 Turbo performance on text in English and code with significant improvement on text in non-English languages, while also being much faster and 50% cheaper in the API. GPT-4o is especially better at vision and audio understanding compared to existing models. These are the model's capabilities. You can check out these sample demo videos yourself. Prior to GPT-4o, you could use voice mode to talk to ChatGPT with latencies of 2.8 seconds, GPT 3.5 and 5.4 seconds, GPT-4 on average. To achieve this, voice mode is a pipeline of 3 separate models. One simple model transcribes audio to text, GPT 3.5 or GPT-4 takes in text and outputs text, and a third simple model converts that text back to audio. This process means that the main source of intelligence, GPT-4, loses a lot of information. It can't directly observe tone, multiple speakers, or background noises, and it can't output laughter, singing, or express emotion. With GPT-4o, we trained a single new model end-to-end across text, vision, and audio, meaning that all inputs and outputs are processed by the same neural network. Because GPT-4o is our first model combining all of these modalities, we are still just scratching the surface of exploring what the model can do and its limitations. So, what I think of this, it means that GPT-4o can respond to audio inputs in as little as 232 milliseconds, with an average of 320 milliseconds. That's almost as fast as a human response time in a conversation. This means our interactions with AI are going to be smoother and more natural than ever before, and this part blew my mind. I have been waiting for this for a very long time, and you would know about it if you watched my previous videos. I have always wanted an AI assistant similar to Jarvis from Iron Man, where you can interact with voice and visuals, and now this is finally becoming a reality. Can you imagine the future in just 10 years? In my opinion, GPT-4o is set to revolutionize the AI landscape. It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation in how we interact with technology. The future of human-computer interaction is here, and it's called GPT-4o. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This section explores the various capabilities of ChatGPT-4o. Let's have a look at this drop-down list. Look at all of these capabilities. Let's take a look at this one, meeting notes with multiple speakers. The amazing thing is that the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a similar feature from its suite of Galaxy AI features, and I have tested this feature and it works really well. I was highly impressed. So here you have the original audio file, and you can ask ChatGPT to analyze it and do several things. For example, how many speakers in this audio and what happened? Then it says that there are 4 speakers in the audio. It can also transcribe it with speaker names. I have been looking for a feature like this for a long time, and I didn't like the current available solutions. You can also explore other capabilities. Now let's move on to model evaluations. As measured on traditional benchmarks, GPT-4o achieves GPT-4 turbo-level performance on text, reasoning, and coding intelligence, while setting new high watermarks on multilingual audio and vision capabilities. Text evaluation, audio ASR performance, audio translation performance. M3, exam zero-shot results, vision understanding evals. This graph showcases the performance of several AI models. GPT-4o, GPT-4t, GPT-4, initial release the 23rd of March 14, Claude 3 Opus, Gemini Pro 1.5, Gemini Ultra 1.0, and Llama 3 400B. Each model is evaluated on multiple metrics: MLU, GPOQA, Math, Human Eval, MGSM, and Drop. This graph shows that GPT-4o outperforms the top AI models such as Google's Gemini and Meta's Llama in various text evaluation metrics, demonstrating its superior capabilities in multitask language understanding, mathematical problem-solving, human-like text generation, social media content creation, and complex reasoning. Language tokenization is the process of breaking down text into smaller units. These 20 languages were selected to represent different language families, showcasing the new tokenizer's ability to efficiently compress text across diverse languages. Model safety and limitations. GPT-4o has safety built in by design across modalities, through techniques such as filtering training data and refining the model's behavior through post-training. We have also created new safety systems to provide guardrails on voice outputs. We've evaluated GPT-4o according to our preparedness framework, and in line with our voluntary commitments. Our evaluations of cybersecurity, CBRN, persuasion, and model autonomy show that GPT-4o does not score above medium risk in any of these categories. This assessment involved running a suite of automated and human evaluations throughout the model training process. We tested both pre-safety mitigation and post-safety mitigation versions of the model, using custom fine-tuning and prompts to better elicit model capabilities. GPT-4o has also undergone extensive external red teaming with 70+ external experts in domains such as social psychology, bias and fairness, and misinformation to identify risks that are introduced or amplified by the newly added modalities. We use these learnings to build out our safety interventions in order to improve the safety of interacting with GPT-4o. We will continue to mitigate new risks as they're discovered. We recognize that GPT-4o's audio modalities present a variety of novel risks. Today, we are publicly releasing text and image inputs and text outputs. Over the upcoming weeks and months, we'll be working on the technical infrastructure, usability via post-training, and safety necessary to release the other modalities. For example, at launch, audio outputs will be limited to a selection of preset voices and will abide by our existing safety policies. We will share further details addressing the full range of GPT-4o's modalities in the forthcoming system card. Through our testing and iteration with the model, we have observed several limitations that exist across all of the model's modalities. Model availability. GPT-4o is our latest step in pushing the boundaries of deep learning, this time in the direction of practical usability. We spent a lot of effort over the last 2 years working on efficiency improvements at every layer of the stack. As a first fruit of this research, we're able to make a GPT-4 level model available much more broadly. GPT-4o's capabilities will be rolled out iteratively, with extended red team access starting today. GPT-4o's text and image capabilities are starting to roll out today in ChatGPT. We are making GPT-4o available in the free tier, and to Plus users with up to 5x higher message limits. We'll roll out a new version of voice mode with GPT-4o in alpha within ChatGPT Plus in the coming weeks. Developers can also now access GPT-4o in the API as a text and vision model. GPT-4o is 2x faster, half the price, and has 5x higher rate limits compared to GPT-4 Turbo. We plan to launch support for GPT-4o's new audio and video capabilities to a small group of trusted partners in the API in the coming weeks. In my opinion, this is a game changer. OpenAI is making advanced AI more practical and accessible, which is a huge win for everyone, from casual users to developers. GPT-4o's improvements in speed, cost, and capabilities are set to transform how we interact with AI on a daily basis. Thanks for joining me today to explore the incredible advancements of GPT-4o. If you found this video informative and exciting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.